Completion 1, Level 4. So, let's dive in. Directions. Complete the sentence using the word or set of words for each blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. Despite his growing wealth and power, Teddy remains blank man. A humble. B, an irritable. C, a greedy. D, unintelligent. Answer is letter A. Despite his growing wealth and power, Teddy remains a humble man. Number 2. Because Mary is so blank, she is blank. A, friendly, despised. B, unpleasant, unpopular. C, generous, wealthy. D, strange, fortunate. Answer is letter B. Because Mary is so unpleasant, she is unpopular. Number 3. Some snakes are very blank, so you should take caution if you see one. A, dangerous. B, slippery. C, careful. D, favorable. Answer is letter A. Some snakes are very dangerous, so you should take caution if you see one. Number 4. Donald was not blank and had to go to the doctor so that he wouldn't be blank anymore. A, tall, smooth. B, beautiful, pretty. C, healthy, sick. D, rich, poor. Answer is letter C. Donald was not healthy and had to go to the doctor so that he wouldn't be sick anymore. Number 5. Though cats are known for being unfriendly, most of the cats I know are blank and blank. A, lovely, ugly. B, skillful, furry. C, strong, athletic. D, kind, gentle. Answer is letter D. Though cats are known for being unfriendly, most of the cats I know are kind and gentle. Number 6. Billy cannot play the piano very well since he blank practices. A, sometimes. B, usually. C, always. D, never. Answer is letter D. Billy cannot play the piano very well since he never practices. Number 7. I cannot blank the price of a ticket, so I cannot see the movie. A, buy. B, save. C, donate. D, afford. Answer is letter D. I cannot afford the price of a ticket, so I cannot see the movie. Number 8. Although the desert gets very hot during the day, it is very blank at night. A, dry. B, humid. C, cold. D, lonely. Answer is letter C. Although the desert gets very hot during the day, it is very cold at night. Number 9. Jared plays the plant blank the other two plants, so that it was in the middle. A between, B over, C through, D outside. Answer is letter A. Jared placed the plant between the other two plants so that it was in the middle. Number 10. Even though I knew the rock weighed a lot, it was still blank than I thought I would be. A lighter, B larger, C heavier, D sharper. Answer is letter C. Even though I knew the rock weighed a lot, it was still heavier than I thought I would be. Let's move on to answers and explanations. Number 1, answer is letter A. The main clue in this sentence is the word despite, which means that two things are related in a negative or opposite way. This means that the correct answer choice will set up an opposite relationship between Teddy's growing wealth and power and some other characteristic of his. People usually expect a wealthy, powerful person to be mean and arrogant, so Teddy must have been the opposite of that. Humble means modest or unassuming, so choice A is correct. B is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Since irritable means easily angered or upset, it is possible to be wealthy and irritable at the same time. C is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Since greedy means having a selfish desire for wealth, it is possible to be wealthy and greedy at the same time. D is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Teddy may or may not be an intelligent man, since intelligent means smart, but we cannot tell from the question. Wealth and power do not affect intelligence. Number 2, answer is letter B. The main clue in this sentence is the word because, which means that two things progress in a logical way. The answer choice will involve a logical cause and effect relationship. Unpleasant and unpopular have such a relationship. Someone who is unpleasant is mean to others and does not make friends very easily. If Mary is unfriendly, she will not be popular or well-liked, meaning she would be unpopular. This is a logical consequence of being unfriendly. Choice B is correct. A is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Friendly people are not despised because friendly means kind and despised means hated. C is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Generous people are not necessarily wealthy, since generous just means willing to share and wealthy means rich. Someone can be willing to share without being rich. D is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Strange people are not usually considered fortunate, since strange people are odd people. Unfortunate people are lucky. Number 3, answer is letter A. The main clue in this question is the phrase, take caution. This means that you should be careful. The word so means that two events progress in a logical way. The answer choice will involve a logical cause and effect relationship that results in being careful. If something is dangerous, it can cause harm. This would mean you should be careful to make sure that you do not get hurt, then which makes sense. Choice A is correct. B is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. There is no reason to take caution around animals that are slippery because being slippery does not imply that an animal can hurt you. Slippery just means slick or difficult to hold. C is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Careful means cautious. This word describes what you should be when you're around snakes, but it does not describe what the snakes themselves are. D is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. There is no reason to take caution around animals that are favorable because favorable means beneficial or good. There is no reason to be cautious around something good. Number 4, letter C. The main clue in this question is the phrase, so that he wouldn't be. This means that there will be an opposite relationship between the missing words. One describes what Donald was not, while the other describes what he wouldn't be anymore. One goes to the doctor when one is ill. Donald must not have been well and wanted to be ill anymore. Because healthy means well and sick means ill. Choice C is correct. A is incorrect because it does not set up a logical opposite relationship. A tall person is one who is large in height. A doctor cannot make someone no longer be smooth, since smooth means even in surface. B is incorrect because it does not set up a logical opposite relationship. Beautiful means very attractive, while pretty means attractive. So these words have almost the same meaning. D is incorrect because it is not logical. Rich means wealthy, while poor means needing money. One does not go to the doctor to gain money. Number 5, answer is letter D. The main clue in this question is the word and, which sets up an equal relationship between two or more things. This means that the correct answer choice will involve two equal characteristics of cats. The other clue here is that most expect cats to be unfriendly, but the cats in question are the opposite of that, since though indicates opposite relationships. Kind means friendly, while gentle means kind or tender. So both words have similar meanings. This means choice D is correct. A is incorrect because it does not set up an equal relationship. Cats cannot be both lovely and ugly at the same time because these words are opposites. Lovely means pretty, while ugly means unattractive. B is incorrect because it does not set up an equal relationship. Skillful means having skills or abilities, while furry means covered in fur or hair. These words have nothing in common. C is incorrect because it does not set up an equal relationship. Strong means having strength, while athletic means strong and fit. These words are similar, but they are not the opposite of unfriendly. Number 6. Answer is letter D. The main clue in this question is Billy cannot play the piano very well. A piano player gets better by practicing, so Billy must not practice often. Never means not ever, so choice D is correct. A is incorrect because sometimes means occasionally. Even if you only sometimes practice, you will get better at playing the piano. B is incorrect because usually means typically or on a regular basis. If you usually practice, you will be able to play the piano well. C is incorrect because always means constantly. If you always practice, you will be able to play the piano very well. Number 7. Answer is letter D. The main clue in this question is the word so, which means the sentence has a cause and effect relationship. The effect of the missing word is that the person cannot see the movie. One can see a movie if he or she buys a ticket, so the person must not have enough money to buy a ticket. Afford means to have enough money to pay for something. So, choice D is correct. A is incorrect because buy means to purchase. But one cannot purchase the price of a ticket. Instead, one would purchase a ticket, not its price. B is incorrect because save means to rescue. No one could possibly rescue the price of something. This does not make logical sense. C is incorrect because donate means to give away. But one does not donate money to get a ticket. A ticket is something that is bought and sold. Number 8. Answer is letter C. The main clue in this question is the word although, which indicates that two things are related in a negative or opposite way. This means that the correct answer choice will set up an opposite relationship between the temperature of the desert in the day and night. If it is hot in the day, it will be the opposite of hot at night. The opposite of hot is cold, so choice C is correct. A is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Dry means lacking water, not the opposite of hot. B is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Humid means moist or damp, not the opposite of hot. D is incorrect because it does not set up an opposite relationship. Lonely means isolated or without people, not the opposite of hot. Number 9. Answer is letter A. The main clue in this question is the phrase, so that it was in the middle, which suggests a cause and effect relationship. Jared must have placed the plant in the middle of the other two. Between means in the middle of, so choice A is correct. B is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Over means above or on top of, not in the middle of something. C is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Through means moving in one side and out the other of something, not in the middle of something. D is incorrect because it does not set up a logical relationship. Outside means situated on the exterior or outer part of something, not in the middle of something. Number 10 is letter C. The main clue in this question is the phrase, I knew the rock weighed a lot. The sentence makes it clear that the narrator expected the rock to weigh a lot but was still surprised by how much it weighed. This means that the correct answer choice will suggest the rock weighs a lot. Heavier means of greater weight, so choice C is correct. A is incorrect because lighter means lesser in weight. This is the opposite of the right answer. B is incorrect because larger means of greater size. This is not the best answer choice because being bigger is not the same as weighing more. D is incorrect because sharper means having a pointer edge. This has nothing to do with weight. So there you go guys, that's the end of this sentence completion 1, level 4. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, share, like, and let me know your thoughts and questions. Love to hear from you. Good luck and thanks for watching.